Hello, and welcome. Today, we're exploring the charming Canary Bao Homestay Hotel. You can find a direct link to book your stay by scanning the QR code on screen or check the description below. Canary Bao Homestay offers a unique blend of comfort and tranquility. Nestled in a peaceful location, this homestay provides a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. The architecture reflects local Vietnamese styles, creating a sense of authentic cultural immersion. The rooms are tastefully decorated, offering a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere, with options ranging from cozy single rooms to spacious family suites. Each room is equipped with modern amenities like air conditioning, comfortable beds, private bathrooms, and complimentary Wi-Fi to ensure a pleasant stay. Beyond the comfortable rooms, Canary Bao Homestay features a variety of amenities to enhance your experience. Enjoy a refreshing dip in the outdoor swimming pool, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. Start your day with a delicious breakfast featuring fresh, local ingredients, prepared with care. The homestay also offers bicycle rentals, allowing you to explore the surrounding area at your own pace. The friendly and attentive staff are always on hand to assist with any needs or requests, providing recommendations for local attractions and arranging transportation. Located conveniently near local markets, restaurants, and key attractions, Canary Bao Homestay allows easy access to the vibrant heart of the city while maintaining a tranquil atmosphere. Guests often rave about the warm hospitality and the sense of community fostered at the homestay. It's a place where you can relax, experience authentic Vietnamese culture, and make lasting memories. Remember, the QR code on screen provides quick access to book your unforgettable stay at Canary Bao Homestay. We hope you enjoy your travels.